All right, we're going to try out the new Milwaukee 16-inch chainsaw picked up. Just came back from hunting with the camper. I'm trying to back down the driveway, and because of the rain, all the pine tree branches are hanging down really low, and I'm hitting them as I'm backing in. So I'm going to try to cut some of these suckers. Now you can see how close that is there. It'll slide, the camper will slide under it. The problem is the air conditioner unit on top of there. There's like a TV dish. See if I can go up here if you can see it. There's like a TV dish and a air conditioner unit up top there. You can't see it. All right, we're on top of the camper here, and you can see my problem. See how the branches are just a little bit too close, and they might hit this. That's like a TV antenna, the air conditioner unit. I cut these right here. They seem like they're high, about 3 feet above it, but of course they come off here and they hang down. So I'm gonna cut all that off right here. Okay, I hacked it up pretty good, and that's not an exaggeration. So now I can come straight back, right back to this garage. I'm kind of glad that I'm soaking wet and raining, because all the ones I wanted to cut anyway were hanging down low because they were wet. So I didn't need to get a really big ladder. And look at that mess down there. Now I got to get rid of all that. All right, look at that. Nice, almost perfect, straight box along the side of them pine trees so that camper can make it all the way down without breaking stuff on top. There's my pile of branches. We'll get rid of those. All right, there's your review on the M18 Milwaukee 16-inch chainsaw. Just slap the battery in and slice and dice them. It works. That's why I got it. I don't want to have to mix fuel, make sure I got gas in the darn thing. I just pop a battery in, it worked. First time I've used it, works good. Just got home from hunting, didn't even get a chance to get inside the house. Soaking wet, got some work done already. That's how you do it.